In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new email address to your account. Firstly, log into your control panel. If you need a reminder of your login details, please contact our help desk. Once you're logged in, go to the email accounts section. And from there, click on the Create button. Enter your choice of username for the new email address. Then you can choose a password, or you can use the random password generator feature. The server will show you if your password choice is strong enough. So make a note of this password, and in this case, I'm going to copy it onto my clipboard. You can then choose an allocation of space for the account, and you'll see a tick box is already ticked to send a welcome email with your settings. Then press Create. From here, you can then log into your webmail by going to mail.yourdomainname/webmail. On the login page that comes up, log in with the new email address and password that you've just created. So when you log into your inbox, you'll have an email that contains all the details you need to add your new email account to your computer, phone or tablet device. If you need any assistance at this stage, please do get in touch with our friendly help desk team and we can talk you through the process.